In this video, I would like to introduce one of the largest and notorious financial botnets in the world called ZeuS. ZeuS is a well-known financial malware that was first identified in 2007, and over 3.6 million computers in the United States were reported to be compromised in 2009. ZeuS tools and source codes are now freely available on a number of online forums that novice hackers can easily get hands on this powerful botnet. This is one of the largest online forums where hackers share their information. As you can see, ZeuS source code is freely available for anyone to download. In addition, hackers are also using social networks such as Twitter to distribute source code. With widespread of ZeuS builders and its source code, ZeuS is no longer just a threat, but a danger to all online banking users. Now, let us see ZeuS Builder in more detail. Using the ZeuS Builder tool, the attacker can build a unique malicious file using encryption key configured by the attacker. In the configuration file, the attacker can list down the websites that the attacker wants to monitor or block. Once the configuration file is configured, the attacker uses the Builder tool to generate binary file. In this demonstration, I'm going to compile the default configuration file that can easily be found in Wild. As you can see, many of the large financial institutions are targeted by the ZeuS botnet already. Once the binary file is compiled, the Trojan executable is generated, which is sent out to user systems. There are a number of ways how the Trojan executable can be distributed. One of the most common ways is by email. Usually, Trojan executable is included in the email with catchy title to tempt users to download the bot. For the purpose of the demonstration, I would like to quickly show you the original online banking website that users normally visit. As you can see, the online banking user is only required to enter the username and password to proceed. No other data are needed. Keeping this in mind, let us go ahead and infect this computer. As mentioned earlier, the user downloads and executes the attachment hoping to find what the mail says. However, once executed, nothing appears on the user's monitor. Instead, the ZeuS bot is installed and deletes itself to hide from the user. Now, the system is infected. When the user visits online banking website again, the ZeuS bot monitors the bank's website and starts to grab out confidential data. Notice that now there is one extra field called PIN number. This field is injected by the bot to encourage an infected user to type in personal data that is not needed for normal online banking process. Without realizing this, the user logs in by entering data into all the fields to proceed. Let us go back to the attacker server. This is a command and control utility called control panel. The attacker uses the control panel to manage the botnets. The control panel shows all sorts of information, such as number of online bots, statistics by operating system, and the bots that are online right now. As you can see, one bot is active. The attacker can look up all the data that are logged from the infected user system. As you can see, data from infected user system has been stored on the attacker server. Not only can the attacker know the keystrokes, but also know in which fields the user has entered the data in. Besides stealing keystrokes, there are so many other actions that the bot can do. One of the most interesting and perhaps the most powerful feature of the bot is to take scripts from the attacker. The attacker can write scripts to basically control the infected user system. Using the script, the attacker can not only turn off the infected user's system, but also take control of it through the VNC and even destroy the operating system completely to leave no marks of trace. So, how can online banking users protect their systems from ZeuS botnet? The answer is mProtect Netizen. mProtect Netizen is an online security service with a powerful personal firewall and real-time memory scan feature. As the user visits online banking website, mProtect Netizen is launched automatically to protect the user's system. Once a malware is detected, a warning dialog is appeared to notify the user of such infection. With few clicks, the user can cure its system from the malware by simply following the instructions. As you can see, the mProtect Netizen warns the user of the infection and strongly recommends the user to restart the system for full removal of the malware. After a successful restart, the system is now clean. When the user visits the online banking website again, no web injections are made as the system is clean from ZeuS botnet. Besides providing protection against ZeuS, mProtect Netizen protects the user's system from various financial malwares. With lightweight, simple, and fast method of service, mProtect Netizen brings the new paradigm of online financial security to all online banking users.